Welcome 8th graders, welcome to week number 6. Pay attention to this video. In this video you will find information about this week and the final project. To talk about the final project, let's talk about the activities of this week. Number 6, what to do? Well, on Tuesday we have our Zoom encounter, our Zoom session, virtual class. Tuesday, we are going to do a quiz on the platform. And Wednesday, we are going to solve page 49. Answer page 49, you are going to find a video in the didactic sequence. It's about invitations. We are going to talk about this activity. So, would you care to join us? ¿Te importaría unirte a nosotros? Thanks, but that is not really for me. Gracias, pero eso no es realmente para mí. How about getting together for a movie tomorrow afternoon? ¿Qué tal si nos reunimos para mañana a ver una película en la tarde? Great idea, but I can't. Buena idea, pero yo no puedo. I have to study for the algebra test. Do you feel like coming with me? ¿Te sientes bien como para venir conmigo, right? Entonces vamos a ver estas palabras. Those words are used in an informal conversation, es decir, una conversación between friends, entre amigos, yes? So try to use it the next time that you talk with your friend. So, you can use it to answer this part of page 49. Here you are going to write with a friend and you are going to write 2 or more activities and choose one. Van a escoger just one. Yes? Y van a invitar a su amigo o compañero, to your friend, to do it with you. Hacerla con ustedes. Van a hacerlo a través de un chat. Yes, can be from WhatsApp, que puede ser con un amigo, con un familiar, con un relative. Relative es familiar, yes. And take the screenshot y adjuntarlo esta semana. Tomar la foto, el pantallazo y adjuntarlo esta semana. We're going to solve the quiz on page 51 and solve quiz time on the web or in your book and in the web. Quiz time on page 51, you are going to find a listening test, a writing test, and a reading test. But also you will find a speaking test. But this part you are not going to do it. You don't have to do it. Why? Because this is our final project. Este speaking part lo vamos a hablar como el final project. Entonces no necesitas hacer esta parte de la página 51. Del resto, please send your screenshot. Read your book. This time we have our reading project in light sail. And for the second term you have to read at least 5 books. Para este segundo periodo tienes que haber leído por lo menos 5 libros. So please remember, like say our reading project, okay? Let's talk about our final project, the Super Diorama Challenge. What is a diorama? How to do a diorama? So, well, you are going to find a link. In that sequence, you are going to find the link that is going to invite you to know what is a diorama, and here you have to upload your diorama. Click on the link and you are going to find the page where you are going to upload your final project. So flip through it. Let's start. Right here, you're going to go right here to the final project, diorama, week number 6, and there you are going to follow this link, watch this video about the diorama, go follow this link to know what is a diorama, and this one to how to do it. Yes, after you finish, you can go click here and you can record your response, your video presenting your diorama. Remember, how you are going to do this, you have to go to page 50. Now that you know what is a diorama and how to do it, you are going to go here, page 50. You are going to listen and read about a diorama. What is it? You are going to back to the writing on section page 48. Yes, you are going to read through the chart and the summary of your futuristic story. Vas a leer el cuadro y lo que hay sobre tu futuristic story. This is going to be the theme of your diorama. Este va a ser el tema de tu diorama, lo que hiciste en la página 48 en el chart and the summary. Plan your diorama. Planea cómo hacerlo. Escribe una lista with ideas of elements you want to include. What do you want to What do you want your diorama's background to look like? ¿Cómo quieres que se vea el fondo de tu diorama? Will you use recycled materials? ¿Vas a usar materiales reciclables? Make a sketch of your diorama on a piece of paper. Haz un sketch, es decir, un dibujo, yes, en un pedazo de papel sobre tu diorama. And now, make your diorama inside the box or the flat surface you select. Y ahora hazlo ¿en qué? Dentro de una caja o en la superficie plana que escogiste. Y share your diorama with the class. Pay attention to this, porque eso es lo que tú vas a hacer. Recuerden usar going to, gonna, wanna, and will. ¿Ok? And want to. Yes. Alguna de esas. O puede ser going to, o puede ser gonna, o puede ser wanna, o puede ser want to. Pero will tiene que estar ahí porque es futuristic. Remember, okay? So, this is an example. In my futuristic story, Dr. Jones lives in a flying city. One day he will meet Mrs. Dove and they will... ¿Qué van a hacer? Recuerden, a veces en English, less is more, menos es más. Entonces traten de usar vocabulario que ustedes conozcan, ¿ok? So very good. Let's do this. You can do this. If you have questions, you can you can write your questions to me through WhatsApp or using my Gmail, that is ourlearninourspace@gmail.com. Okay, so goodbye. God bless you, and I hope that your project will be okay. Excellent job. Goodbye, everyone.